Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this 2013 Audi A1 in for an Apple CarPlay AndroidAuto interface. So what we'll do is we'll interface it into this top screen and it will give you the controls via the controls on the radio. This we've got to strip the radio down and put an extra PCB board in to allow the controls to control the system. So that'll then bring it all up here by controlling it there. Right, here we go. All installed. So how we use this is you've got to make sure that you are on the auxiliary in channel, say, and then you push and hold the media button. This opens up your CarPlay, and then if we use the rotary control down here, we then twist it around the CarPlay and we're there. So this could be AndroidAuto or Apple CarPlay, left-hand, right-hand drive, where you can get to your Spotify, your Google Maps, your Apple Maps, and that's all going through the vehicle steering wheel controls as well. Pretty cool, hey?